Hi, Professor. This video is to demonstrate the contents required in Lab 4, which includes ACIS analysis, transient analysis, and deciding basis circuits as well as a Part1 circuits. Then we also decide a circuit to look for the poles and cells. And in the last part, I did the symbolic analysis. Okay, let's start from sharing a screen. Okay, so let me start sharing the screen, and I have part 1 for the OPS circuits and to observe the values of output parameters. And then I have a part 2 for the AC and transient analysis. I also have another design for the SAM program purpose, and I figure out the comments is so um, particular, so I also include in the folder. So I have a part 3 for the post and serial analysis. The last one is a symbolic analysis. So let's start from the part 1. Oh, okay. Okay. Let me just delete all the program and then I start over. Okay. I start from the first one, and I have all the uh, components, including 5 voltage supplies and 6 resistors in this circuit. So I name the circuits as my circuit, and in this code, and actually the program name is OPS circuit. So like as we can see, the voltage is 5 volt and the resistor is 5 ohm. With that says, I have only like voltage supply and resistors. So they are all assigned with different values, and we could see easily to about the output of each node and corresponding values at each component. Let's run the program. Okay, I have a no one. The voltage is 5 volt, and actually is the voltage supply 5 volt, supply 2, supply 3, supply 4, 5, and 6. And I also have the current for each node here. So this out I also have a erase percentage. So ideally there's no erase percentage because all the voltage or currents flowing to each components ideal, and there's no any consumptions in the circuits. And let's see the requirement for this assignment. Okay, so the first one is to design a simple OPS analysis, and then the last the last part of the assignment is to pick one analysis above and run the same circuits on SPICE. So I did design the first OPX circuits in LT SPICE, so which is named OPS simulation and ending with AXC. So I have to open LT SPICE to run this circuits. As we can see here in this case, so I have a 5 voltage supply and 6 resistance. Some of them are in series and some of them in parallels. So let me just run the circuit, and I have the, so let's compare the output of it from each software. So the first voltage is a 5 volt, and voltage 3 and 3 is 20, 30, 5, actually 5 and 10. And I also have the current for volt 1 -7, volt 2 -7, and volt 3, the V3 -8.66667. So it match. And for the V4, it also is -8.41667. It match. The last one is the current for V5 is 0.75, and all the values of each components match in both Python and LT SPICE. So we could say so this program works well. Okay, I see you in next program about AC and transient analysis.